friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a neon text on Canva app. So once you're inside your design, you can easily go ahead and add text. So as you can see, text is there. So I can click on text and I can add a text box and I can add whatever I want, right? So I can add it and I can change the color and so forth. But for the purpose here, I'm going to use the one that I have here. So once you add the text, you make the sizing and everything. You want to go ahead and scroll across, guys, and of course you want to find the color of your choice. So if you want to change the color, let's go to edit, let's choose the colors there, and let's make this in, let's choose for example this color here, right? And let's use it like that. Right now, in order to make the neon text, guys, all you have to do is to ensure that you click on the beach or the word or the letter, and then you want to scroll across until you find effects. You click on effects, and then you have different effects styles. So you can scroll across until you find the option that says neon. So you select neon, and guess what? You create a neon text, right? So that's it. You can always change the color at a later point in time if you want to. Right now I'm using this color, so I can go ahead and I can choose edit again, and I can always go ahead and choose different colors. So if I want the yellow one, I can switch that. If I want whatever it is I want, I can always go ahead and change the colors. But that's how you go ahead and create a neon text, guys, in Canva. Very easy and very simple.